This video is to show how you can perform a manual calculation of G by freefall using two light gates. Light gate A is at the top and light gate B is at the bottom. So in SensorLab Plus, click on Setup, and you notice we have the two light gates already plugged in. You then click Timing and select Acceleration. The important thing to note here is that you click Manual Calculation, then Next. And we're going to go from one sensor to another, and we're going to use a single bar interrupt in this case, and it has a width of 6 centimeters. When you're ready, click Start. Now on this screen you've got time 1, time 2 and time 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to label them to be a little bit more meaningful. To do that, right click on time 1 in this case and select Edit Details, and we're going to change the name to Time at A, which is the time taken for the interrupt to travel through the first light gate at the top. Again, right click on time 3 and we're going to change that to Time at B, light gate at the bottom. And then time 2, again we're going to edit the details. This is the time to travel from A to B. And we click OK. Now we're going to add an additional channel, which is the speed at A. And to do that, if you go to the Data menu and select Calculate, and on the window that pops up, we're going to change the name to Speed at A. In the units, we're going to put meters per second. Now in the description, we're just going to call it Speed at A again. And we're going to change the decimal places to 2. Click Next. Now here, we're going to enter the calculation, which is distance over time. Now the interrupt size is 0.06 meters. So we enter 0.06 and we divide that by the time at A and click OK, and we've now got speed at A. And then we do the same for B, so it's Data, Calculate. This time click New, and again enter speed at B, units of meters per second, and the description speed at B again. Change the decimal places to 2, click OK, and again distance is 0.06. We're going to divide that by this time at B. Click OK, and now we have speed at A and speed at B. And what we're going to do is we're going to export it as a template. So you go to File, Export, select Template. And the name of the template can be anything you like. We're going to call it G by Freefall. And this template can be loaded and used anytime to perform this experiment. So what we do now is, we've just mocked up here, we drop our interrupt through the light gates as shown. And then we get these results. From these results, the change in speed over time taken gives us an acceleration of 9.57 meters per second.